class, I wanted to talk to you about the writing process. So on day 1, we will always brainstorm, and we call that spill the beans because we're taking ideas out of our head and putting them onto our paper. Day 2 is when we plot it out. So we will fill out our web with the bubbles. So you know the webs where we're writing the red word and circling in red and orange and green. That's when we plot it out and do our planning. Day 3 is where we write. So this is like adding water, warmth, and air. We just write down our rough draft and write down all of our thoughts. Day 4 is when we edit, so it's like pulling the weeds out of your garden. So we look for capitals and punctuation marks, spaces between our words, make sure it makes sense. Maybe just check for all of these things and pull out all the weeds, all the bad things of our writing. And day 5 is when we fertilize and harvest. So fertilize is when you add those golden nugget words or maybe change out some words that might sound better, add some extra interesting words, and harvest is like sharing your writing with others. If we have a short week, sometimes we won't get to day 5 where we revise and harvest, revise and share, which is like fertilizing and harvest. And so that's why our writing is kind of like planting a garden.